In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create this cool text cutout effect in just a few minutes using PowerPoint. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. We will start with a blank slide. Go to Insert, click on Picture and insert picture from this device. Again go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it from upper left corner, add a little information here to the text box. Select Shape with the text box, go to Merge Shape, select Combine. Shape Outline, make it no outline, select Color from Shape Fill, go to Shape Effect, click on Shadow, select this, click on right button, go to Format Shape and increase size also. Right click, duplicate the slide, go to Transition, select Morph Transition and increase duration also. Go to first slide, select both, shift to left side, select picture, increase size like this. Now click on slideshow. So friends, see, we learn how to make a cool cutout text effect in PowerPoint. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.